Dozens of pets from Southern California heading to Big Dog Ranch in Loxahatchee, of course, after those devastating wildfires in the LA area. Caleb Califano has more on the treatment they'll receive before they're available for you to foster and adopt.
You could just hear these sounds. All these dogs on this bus that you see just came from those fires, those devastating fires in California and the cold in Texas. Now Big Dog Ranch wants them to find new homes. With the devastating wildfires earlier this month in Southern California, we saw people lose everything from their homes to their cars and, for many, their pets. You can see this bus is full of dozens upon dozens of dogs rescued from the California wildfires. Many of them were given up to shelters in safer areas after their families lost everything. However, when those shelters became overwhelmed, Big Dog Ranch stepped in.
We stepped in to help make space in those shelters and bring the dogs here to Big Dog Ranch Rescue in hopes of getting them adopted or fostered out so we can help them make the space and continue to go back and help other dogs in need.
The bus, which made its way all the way from Florida to California and back, also made a stop in Texas to rescue dogs from the extreme cold they're facing. The driver of the bus tells me, while it's a long journey, it's all for a good cause.
We probably burned 1,200 gallons of fuel. We spent a week on the road. But it's rewarding no matter what. During the time you're tired, you're cranky, but you go back and you look at the dogs and you know it's worth it.
While these dogs are now safe, Big Dog Ranch tells me the work isn't done. After a 2-week quarantine, the goal is to see all these dogs eventually adopted.
They are our unconditional, loving companions, and they all deserve to have a voice and a second chance at life and love.
The doors are finally open, and these dogs are finally breathing some fresh Florida air. Big Dog Ranch tells me that wasn't the only time they'll be headed to California, and they'll be back to help those dogs devastated by those deadly wildfires. In Loxahatchee, Caleb Califano, WPBF 25 News.